Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today's project is this cute calendar, mini calendar to put on your desk. So 2020 is fast approaching. There's only 1 month left. Well, 1 month, a few more days, depends when you're watching this video, and to be fair, depends when I'm uploading this video. These cute calendars are so simple to make. As you can see, they're whole flat, so you can just simply put it in the envelope and send it away as a little treat with your Christmas card, and they stand perfectly straight on your little desk. As you can see, guys, I have done 3 different measurements, but the principle is pretty much the same. So I have used some really old Stampin' Up paper, some my cardstock, and I bought this off Amazon actually. These mini calendars are very cheap. I think I bought a pack of 10 for, I just want to say a couple of pounds. It won't be more than that. If I do find them, guys, I will put the link in the description box. You guys can go and check them out. Okay, so what we need a piece of cardstock. So the base of your calendar has to have 2 panels, which is exactly the same size, and then the 2 bases, which is basically the 2 tabs here, which again, they have to be the same size. So no matter the measurement I'm using today, but you can use anything you like, and then a little tab to glue the all parts together. Okay, so I hope I explained it fairly easy. If you want to copy my project, so the measurements are, this piece of cardstock measure 9¼ by 4½, which is 23 centimeters by 12 centimeters in metric. Then you score the first 3⅛, which is in metric is 8.5, 6¼ which in metric is 17, 7¼ which in matrix is 19½, and then 8¼ which is matrix is 22 centimeters. Okay, then you need a panel, which I have used a printer paper, and this measure 4 3/8 by 2 7/8, which in metric is 11 by 7 centimeters, and then we're going to glue that in there. And then for the calendar, so this is roughly approximately 2 by 3 inches, which is in metric 7.5 by 5 centimeters. So this is how the cardstock measure, and then what we're going to do, we're simply going to glue that in there, and then we attach it on the calendar. So apologize, my fingers still got a bit of glue left in there. So what we're going to do, guys, so get your cardstock, and what you do is simply fold it over like that, and then we have to make like a little concertina. So the first cut line, we fold it inwards, then outwards, then inwards again. Okay, so you create like zigzag. If you do that, guys, you're going to get this little easel stand that we need, so as a support, so the card will stay basically straight like that. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to put some glue in there. You can use double-sided sellotape if you wish. It's not really matter. Okay, and then fold the anything back as it was, and then without making a mess, I fold the top into my little tab there, and simply hold it for a few seconds and press it down. Okay, like so. So you ended up with something that looks like that, and that will make your little calendar stand perfectly straight, but also easily foldable. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to attach the calendar to our little cardstock over there. Oops, this way around. So excited for 2020. Got so many things lined up, so fingers crossed everything will go to plan. Okay, and then we're going to adhere the print paper to our cardstock like that. hold it, press it down for a few seconds. And then we're going to add the straight in the middle like so. Done. Couldn't be any simpler than that, guys. So that's our calendar. Right, that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because that will support the video doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. That will be the word to me. I also have a Facebook group and a Instagram account. So if you guys would like to join me on social media, please feel free to do so. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you very soon. Bye.